Thanks for taking the time to speak to us, David. WBA has just published a new report on global food waste management. Can you tell us a bit more about that?
Well, I have the executive summary, Chris, here in front of me, and you can download it on the WBA website, both the executive summary and the full report. What we've tried to do here is give an implementation guide for cities around the world on how to manage their food waste, because food waste is one of the most important and impellent emergencies which they have. Food waste going to landfill is creating methane gas, which is going into the environment, and it's causing climate change, as well as creating difficulties in the local areas with waste dumps burning and such like. If we put food waste into treatment, especially if we put it into anaerobic digestion, we can produce energy, we can produce nutrients, and if we do that at a global scale, we can actually reduce greenhouse gas emissions by the same amount of all the cars on the road in Europe. So it's a big story.
Great. And how does the report link in with the European Union's recently approved circular economy package? And what are the business opportunities arising from this for the biogas industry?
Well, we hope this report will help cities understand how to implement food waste collections, prevention and treatment, because especially in Europe, by 2024, cities will have that obligation. The circular economy package makes food waste collections and treatment obligatory. And that is a fantastic opportunity for all those in the food waste sector, whether they are collecting it, whether they are treating it in biogas plants, whether they are then selling the energy or selling the nutrients, selling the compost coming from that biogas plant. There are a whole series of opportunities. And we should not just think about food waste in terms of the energy that we produce. We should also think about the need to get food waste back to soil. We're losing, for example, in the UK, 3 million tonnes of topsoil a year. At the same time, we're throwing 7.5 million tonnes of food waste into landfills. Well, I'm not a brilliant person, but if you actually put the two together, you can solve both problems.
And where can people find out more about WBA's work and the new report?
Well, as I said, you can download it on the website. But of course, there's a great opportunity to actually come and meet together to discuss these issues, and that will be held this July 11th and 12th in Birmingham in the UK, where the ADBA and the World Biogas Trade Show and Expo will be held. There'll be speakers from all over the world talking about these issues. It's a great opportunity for us all to catch up and to exchange experiences.